Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Buddy. We are doing a 4-time revision of class 11th and class 12th NCERT biology, and this time we are doing it unit wise, and today we are going to discuss 15 MCQs from the unit that you're seeing on your screen. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Question number 1. What is the function of KOH, that is potassium hydroxide, in the half-leaf experiment? Option A, absorbs carbon dioxide. Option B, absorbs oxygen. Option C, absorbs nitrogen. Or option D, absorbs sunlight. What is the function of potassium hydroxide in the half-leaf experiment? The correct answer is option A, that is absorbs carbon dioxide. This experiment was carried out to demonstrate role of carbon dioxide. So in half-leaf experiment, the KOH that covers half of the leaf has the function of absorption of carbon dioxide. Question 2. Mark the incorrect statement. Statement A. Energy in respiration is released by reduction of CC bond of substrates. B. ATP is the energy currency of the cells. C. Organic acid can be used as respiratory substrates. Or statement D. Energy of substrate is released in multiple steps, never in single step. Mark the incorrect statement. Of these four statements, which one is incorrect? And the answer is statement A is incorrect. Energy in respiration is released by oxidation of CC bond substrates and not by reduction. Question 3. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Four statement is given. You have to identify which one of these is incorrect. Option A. Smaller substances diffuse at faster rate. Option B. Diffusion across the membrane depends on lipid solubility of the substance. Option C. Substance that have hydrophilic moiety pass easily through the membrane. Or option D. Substances soluble in lipid diffuse faster. Which of the following statements is incorrect? The correct answer is option C, that is the substances that have hydrophilic moiety pass easily through the membrane is incorrect. In fact, these take a longer time to pass through the membrane. However, substances which are lipid soluble pass through the membrane easily. What does hydrophilic means? Hydro means water, philic means love. So these substances have love for water. These substances find it difficult to pass through a lipid membrane. So option C is the correct answer. Question 4. Which of the following is used as herbicide? Option A, auxin. Option B, gibberellin. Option C, cytokinin. Or option D, ethylene. Four plant hormones have been given. Which of these is used as herbicide? The correct answer is option A, auxin. 24D, it is a synthetic auxin which is used as a herbicide. What does D stand for? 24D stands for 2,4-dichlorophenoxyacetic acid. It is used as a herbicide. Question 5. Element required for synthesis of auxin is? Element required for synthesis of auxin is manganese, nitrogen, zinc, magnesium. Element required for synthesis of auxin is? The correct answer is option B, that is zinc is required for synthesis of auxin. Question number 6. Humus in soil is necessary for plant growth because it, option A, increases aeration and water absorption capacity of soil. Option B, makes soil compact. Option C, makes soil sterile. Or option D, decreases the rate of percolation. Which of the following is responsible for improved plant growth because of humus in soil? Correct answer is option A. It increases the aeration and water absorption capacity of the soil. Question number 7. The most common ion found freely in the cell. Option A, phosphorus. Option B, sulfur. Option C, potassium. Option D, iron. Most common ion found freely in cell. The correct answer is option C, that is potassium. Question 8. Plant hormone that has actions antagonistic to auxins. Option A, gibberellins. Option B, ABA, that is abscisic acid. Option C, ethylene. Option D, cytokinin. Plant hormone that has action antagonistic to auxin is. Correct answer is option D, that is cytokinin. Question 9. How many ATP would be produced if 6 molecules of NADH is passed through electron transport chain? Option A, 18 ATP, 12 ATP, 16 ATP or 24 ATP. How many ATP would be produced if 6 molecules of NADH is passed through electron transport chain? The correct answer is option A, that is 18 ATP would be produced. One molecule of NADH produces 3 ATP molecules. So 6 NADH produces 8 3 is 18. So 18 ATP molecules. Question 10. Splitting of water is associated with photosystem 2. Where is photosystem 2 located in plants? Option A, membrane of thylakoids. Option B, stroma. Option C, lamella membrane, or option D, chloroplast membrane. Splitting of water is associated with photosystem 2. Where is photosystem 2 located in plant cells? The correct answer is option A, that is membrane of thylakoid. Question number 11. Chlorosis is seen in deficiency of option A, copper. Option B, zinc. Option C, calcium. Option D, boron. Chlorosis is seen in deficiency of. The correct answer is option B, that is zinc. What is chlorosis? The loss of chlorophyll, which leads to yellowing of the leaf. And which other elements cause chlorosis? Sodium, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, iron, manganese, molybdenum, other than zinc. All these elements, if they are deficient, will lead to chlorosis. Question number 12. Photosynthesis energy from light reaction to dark reaction is transferred in the form of. During the process of photosynthesis, energy from light reaction to dark reaction is transferred in the form of ADP, RuBP, ATP or chlorophyll. Correct answer is option C, ATP. Question number 13. Which one of the following is not a naturally occurring hormone in plants? 2,4-D, GA, gibberellin, IAA. Which of the following is not a naturally occurring plant hormone? Correct answer is option A, 2,4-D. Question number 14. Most of the energy in the cell is liberated by oxidation of carbohydrates when pyruvic acid is converted to carbon dioxide and water, pyruvic acid is converted to acetyl-CoA, sugar is converted to pyruvate, glucose is converted to alcohol and carbon dioxide. Most of the energy in the cell is liberated by oxidation of carbohydrates when? Correct answer is option A, when the pyruvic acid is converted to carbon dioxide and water. Question number 15. Cran's anatomy is one of the characteristic features of the leaves of wheat, sugarcane, mustard, potato. Cran's anatomy. Correct answer is option B, sugarcane. So those are the 15 MCQs for today. We'll see you guys again tomorrow with another set of 15 MCQs, and the topic for tomorrow's MCQ session would be the next unit of NCERT biology. So read all the chapters of next unit and attempt the tomorrow's MCQ session. So that would be all for today. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, all the best and keep working hard. Do like and share this video if you find it helpful, and if you're new out there, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.